Do you consistently feel insecure about your weight and inactive lifestyle but can't lose the extra pounds because you are busy working on your business, your personal goals, or your household responsibilities? Hi, I'm Salila, your favorite Ayurveda practitioner, helping you stay healthy, wealthy, and wise. Today, we are discussing a common and frustrating problem I often see in women after 35: stubborn weight gain that just doesn't seem to budge. And it's not your fault. After 35, your body naturally changes. Hormone shifts, digestion slows down, metabolism weakens. But the good news is, with simple Ayurvedic wisdom, you can realign your body's rhythm. You can feel lighter, more energetic, and start to lose fat naturally, even if you're busy and have no time for gym workouts. In this video, we are going to understand why women gain weight after 35. What are the 4 steps of following an Ayurvedic diet routine that I recommend? What are the essential guidelines you need to know? Who should avoid a diet routine? How much fat loss and required time can you expect to spend on this? Let me explain exactly why this happens. In Ayurveda, weight gain after 35 is not about eating too much or moving too little. It's a natural shift your body goes through, influenced by 3 main factors. First, your Agni or your digestive fire starts to slow down. Think of Agni like that internal flame that keeps your metabolism sharp and your digestion clean. After 35, due to increased stress, this flame weakens. Food doesn't digest completely, nutrients don't get absorbed properly, and the leftover waste turns into ama, a sticky toxic residue that builds up in your body. This ama is what causes bloating, heaviness, and that stubborn fat storage, especially around our belly region. Second, after 35, especially in women, hormonal fluctuations with the decline of estrogen and progesterone directly impact digestion. These changes slow down the body's ability to break down food quickly, leading to sluggishness and that toxin buildup we talked about. You might notice water retention, mood swings, increased cravings, and fat collecting around your belly, your thighs, your upper arms. These hormonal changes naturally make your body hold on to fat way more easily. Third is kapha dosha imbalance starts to increase as we face increased stress. The qualities of kapha, which are like heavy, slow, stable, becomes more dominant in the body. And while kapha gives us stamina and calmness, too much of it can lead to stubborn fat gain, emotional eating, laziness, and that sluggish feeling. Now, when you mix these natural changes with this modern busy lifestyle, such as skipping meals and grabbing processed food on the go, sitting for long hours, barely sleeping, and constant stress, your body naturally shifts into fat storing mode even without you noticing it. But the good news is Ayurveda knows exactly how to fix this, gently and naturally get you back to health. Let's talk about the Ayurvedic routine. First, women with severe health issues like diabetes, thyroid dysfunctions, or PCOS, you must take a proper consultation. Secondly, new mothers or breastfeeding women, congratulations on your baby, but this routine is not for you, so stop. Third, if you're extremely underweight or you have high vata imbalance, this routine is not suitable for your body type, so you can stop right now. If you don't fall under these 3 categories, here are the simple 4 steps that offer you natural weight loss. The diet I recommend for women over 35, which is simple, flexible, and easy to follow without complicated calorie counting or restrictions. Step 1, kindle your Agni every morning. Let's start with your mornings, because how you begin your day sets the tone for your digestion and your metabolism throughout the rest of the day. The first thing you should do after waking up is simple. Cleanse your tongue using a tongue scraper. This removes the white coating known as ama in Ayurveda, which is undigested toxins that have accumulated overnight on our tongue. Next, hydrate your body and spark your digestive fire by sipping on a glass of warm water. For even better results, add fresh lemon juice and a pinch of ginger powder. This simple drink gently wakes up your Agni, your inner digestive fire, and then helps you flush out any sluggishness and bloating and heaviness from the system. And if you have just 5 extra minutes, I highly recommend gentle movement. Just a few rounds of Surya Namaskara, light yogic stretches, or even a brisk walk around your home can stimulate that circulation and get your metabolism moving without needing a long workout. These first steps help you feel lighter, clearer, and ready for your day naturally. Let's talk about step 2, breakfast until you're truly hungry. Women over 35 often force breakfast because of modern advice, but Ayurveda says don't eat till your digestive fire is awake. If you feel hungry, have a light, warm breakfast. You can try these 3 breakfast options: stewed apples and berries and oats, warm quinoa, buckwheat or millet porridge, or lentil pancakes. But please avoid cold smoothies, heavy dairy, or processed breads made from white flour in the morning. They can aggravate your kapha and slow you down. Step 3 is keep your lunch as your main meal. Your body's natural digestive fire called Agni burns the brightest around solar noon time. This is when your metabolism is naturally primed to break down food efficiently and absorb nutrients and convert them into stable energy. It is very important meal of the day for healthy fat loss. Your ideal fat loss plate should have about 50% cooked, fresh, seasonal vegetables like pumpkin, asparagus, beans, bottle gourd, zucchini, carrots, or lightly spiced greens. You can steam them, saute them, or cook them gently with a little bit of olive oil or ghee with digestive spices. The next quarter of your plate should include light, wholesome grains like red rice, fluffy millets, or quinoa, which provide energy without sluggishness. The remaining quarter of your plate should be clean, easy to digest proteins like comforting moong dal or red masoor lentil, or small portions of lean meat like fish cooked with lemon and herbs. Eggs can also be had for protein, but no more than 4 a week. It is very helpful to cook your meals with digestive spices like cumin, coriander, fennel, turmeric, ginger, and black pepper. They spark your metabolism and prevent bloating. And most importantly, sit down, eat slowly, no screens, no stress, just mindful nourishment. Let's talk about step 4. Have a light dinner before sunset. Kapha naturally rises after sunset and your digestion slows down. The worst thing you can do is eat heavy late dinners. You should eat before 7 p.m. if possible and keep it light. Here are some night diet options for you. Either have clear vegetable soup with spices like cumin, coriander, ginger, turmeric. If soup is not your thing at night, no problem. You can try khichdi made from rice and mung beans, including veggies like carrots, peas, pumpkins, and spinach, and you get a complete meal. Or you can cook sauteed vegetables like broccoli, spinach, asparagus with a small portion of grains that is like rice or quinoa. Through this diet, you will sleep better, reduce bloating, and naturally shed weight without starving yourself. Now, here are some guidelines you need to follow along with this diet. First of all, no snacking between meals. Constant snacking keeps insulin high and digestion weak. Instead, sip on warm water or herbal teas like ginger, fennel, or coriander seeds between meals. If you need a snack, have roasted fox nuts or a small fruit. Secondly, avoid these 5 types of foods completely to stay consistent on your fat loss journey, like cold foods like ice cream, cold smoothies, raw salads, especially in winter. Avoid excess dairy, fresh cheeses, cream, yogurt at night. Avoid refined carbohydrates like breads, pastries, packet snacks, as it is very heavy for your body. Avoid overeating animal proteins like red meat. Stay away from sugary drinks, alcohol, or heavily fried foods. Third, if you want quicker results, take Ayurvedic fat-burning drinks twice a week. Yes, you can take simple fat metabolizing drink like cut pesti in a day. To make cut pesti, add 1 teaspoon each of black cumin, coriander and fennel seeds, half a teaspoon of carom seeds in 2 liters of water, boil for 10 minutes, and you can sip this drink throughout the day to help your circulation. To make Triphala digestive rasayana, take 1 teaspoon of Triphala powder with 1 teaspoon of ghee and honey before bed. It improves your digestion, supports detoxing, and prevents bloating. Now you may ask, but Salila, how much weight loss can I expect and how much time will it take to lose fat naturally by following this diet routine you've given us? Keep in mind that this is an Ayurvedic fat loss approach. So it is designed to improve your digestion, balance your hormones, and naturally reduce excess kapha and that sticky ama in your body. So here is your normal progress while following this diet routine. Within 7 to 10 days, you will first notice reduced bloating, lighter digestion, less heaviness, and after meals, better energy levels and improved sleep. Your body will heal from your earlier inconsistent diet. Then within another 3 to 4 weeks, there will be visible reduction in puffiness, especially around face and ankles, and a slimmer midsection, fewer sugar cravings, and stabilized mood. Then after about 6 to 8 weeks, you will experience fat loss around your stubborn belly and thigh fat region, along with improved skin glow, better metabolism, and lighter, sustained energy. While following this routine, most women can safely lose about 6 to 10 pounds in 8 weeks. Now, it is important to understand that fat loss happens from the stubborn, hormonally driven areas like belly, hips, and thighs. This routine targets digestion, kapha reduction, and hormone balance. You will experience a gradual loss of fat and better body composition for the long term. Remember, ladies, after 35, your body shifts, but it's not breaking down. It's simply asking for wiser care. Ayurveda does not demand restriction. It guides you to realign with your natural rhythm. When you flourish, your digestion and your hormones get balanced. Fat loss happens gently. Your energy returns and you feel confident in your skin again. I would advise that you follow this routine for at least 3 months and you will likely lose several dress sizes. So, if you are ready to understand your body deeply and follow a personalized dosha-based fat loss path designed just for you, I'd be honored to be your guide. The consultation link is below. And keep following the Ayurveda channel for more ways to activate your inbuilt AI, your Ayurvedic intelligence.